often see some cartoon-style beat sync videos online in recent years. And in today's video, we will use an example from the demo and show you how to edit your cartoon video to the beat in VideoProc Vlogger. And without further ado, let's get video started. First, find an anime image you like online. It is better to have a simple background for easy keying. You can use this website to remove the background. Well, this is not a sponsor. Then, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. Import an image with the background removed. Next, import a piece of music. Then let's import it into the audio track. Use Repo Edit to shorten the duration to about 10 seconds. Then, click here to go to the audio editor. Click on Analyzer and select the audio onset. And then click on Analyze. The system will automatically mark the beat points for us. We just need to add marks. Click on Select All and add markers. You can click play to listen to the result. And manually adjust and delete some marks. When finished, click Apply and return to the main interface. Next, let's import the image which is made into the overlay track. Make it fit to the screen. Use Repo Edit to make it last as long as the music. And use a shortcut M to add a mark to the image clip that match the beat of the music. Next, use Split tool to split the clip at the first beat point to make an intro. Click on Motion. Add a keyframe to the far left of the timeline. Then, adjust the box as shown in the video. Next, add a keyframe to the far right side. And bring the box back to the same size as the screen. Adjust the speed to smooth the speed up one. Now we have an intro. Click Apply and return to the main interface. Let's move on to the second half of the clip to create a motion. After activating the motion editor, again, add a keyframe to the first frame. Make the box fit to the screen. Next, add a second keyframe at the first mark. Find the rotation at the bottom and change it to 20. Then change the speed to speed down. Next, add a third keyframe at the next mark. Change the rotation to -20 and change the speed to speed up. Follow this method, we continue to add a keyframe to each mark. Once we return to the main interface, let's add a background. Import a background image or video and place it on the video track. Use Split to cut it to the same length as the other clips. Go to the color editor. Lower the exposure and increase the contrast. Then find the vignetting. Adjust the amount to about -45. After adjusting parameters, click Apply to return to the main interface. Now, let's add the lyrics. Adjust the playhead to the part where there is no clip. Then, click on the text to add text. Input some lyrics here. Then choose a suitable font. Change the color of the text shadow to gray. Then change the size and the position of the text in the preview window. Once you are done, click here to take a screenshot of the screen and create the rest of the lyrics with the same method. Import all of them into VideoProc Vlogger. Let's create 2 new overlay tracks. Then hold down the 2 horizontal bars here. Drag one of them to the bottom of the video track. Next, let's import a lyric to the bottom overlay track. Make it fit to the screen. then change your blend mode to the difference. Next, drag the next lyric to the overlay track at the top and do the same operation. You can see that this time the lyrics appears behind the character. After adding the lyrics in this way, you can also add some effects that you like. And an anime beat sync video is now complete. Well, this is all for today's video, and if you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet, and we will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!